How to organize classes on Nersapp. How to organize classes on Nersapp. Once you're logged in the module section, you go to academics and you straight to classes. Once the page loads, you click on the class list and you will find a list of classes in the class list view if classes have already been added. If classes have not been added, you will not see any class in this list. Actually, classes depends on education levels. Yes, if I switch between education levels to maybe junior secondary school, you will notice that the classes in junior secondary has changed compared to primary school. The same thing goes with senior secondary. Now, these education levels have actually been activated, and that's why we are seeing them here. Okay, to add a class, you click on new class button here, and you would have to fill this form. You have the name, the class division. Okay, class division are actually classes uh, that have different divisions. For example, say primary 1A or primary 2A and primary 2B. They're in the same class, okay, but different divisions. So primary 2A is the same as primary 2B, but different divisions. Okay, you can provide a description here. Provide a description here. We don't have asterisks here, so this field is not important, but you could provide information about the description of that class here. Then you also pick level rank. Level rank on Nersapp help us to distinguish between classes. For example, if we have a class primary 3 and another class primary 2A, uh, according to education system in Nigeria, which is progressive, primary 3 class is higher than primary 2 class. Therefore, we will give primary 3 class a higher level compared to primary 2 class. Now, I am adding primary 2A and I want to use the education level of level 8. Already, I have primary 2 here to be level 7. Okay, so I want to add primary 3A as level 8, and I'll make sure I save. Now once you save, you'll find in the class list view the class has been added. Take note, find the title of the class, you find the description, you have 0 students added to this class, and the class level that has been added. If you check progressively, primary 1A is in level 6, primary 1B, since they are in the same class level, will be in level 6, primary 2 is level 7. Now primary 3A I am adding is in level 8. If I go ahead and want to add another class, uh, primary 3B, primary 3B, it will be in the same class level as level 8, and I go ahead and save. You can also edit it to the edit icon. You can also delete it if you want to delete it. So if you edit it, you just click on the edit icon, make your changes, and do what you save. The same thing goes with delete. You'll just click on the icon and click yes to delete it. Okay, so this is how to add and organize classes on yourself. To view a class's details and statistics, you come to academics and still on classes. Then you go to class view in the tab, class view. You select your preferred class. Yeah, you get to see the statistics of a class, the population, the statistics of the males and females and others. Then the list of students in that class will be listed in the row, in this row. Okay, currently in this class we have just two students. Okay, just two students. Then beneath it you will see the assigned subject performances. So you see the cumulative performance of each of the subjects so far. This is dependent on the records that the system have captured already. So that's how you will be able to see this. Okay, so you also, to the right here, you be able to see the subject average of the combined performance of the class on subject average. Then beneath that you see educators. That's all the educators assigned to work with that class. Now this is a class educator, a teacher, Margot Ham. Her role is a teacher, and she is a class teacher, and she's also a a subject teacher. That means she takes a particular subject and she manages a class. And the subjects that has been assigned to her, about three subjects have been assigned to her. So this is what the class view does, giving you statistics and helping you to know the details of a particular class. So this is how to know the details of a class and also the statistics.